they also get drugs and they get alcohol. I have also asked the county security team to work with the elected leaders here to ensure that all the goons that have been hired and those that are about to be hired are all dismantled, everybody to go and do their own business, and they be given something else to do instead of engaging in this goonship. As you know, as a result of this, a number of people have lost their lives. You've witnessed the funerals where innocent people wanting to bury their loved ones. The funerals are quickly or hurriedly. The family is left hurriedly to bury their loved one without properly mourning, without even a service, because two politicians wanted to come and demonstrate their strength. Kwa hivyo ningependa kusema tuko hapa kwa jukwaa la usalama na tuko tayari kusikiliza viongozi wa mashinani, kina chifu na OCSs na wananchi wa Trans Nzoia, tujadiliane pamoja jinsi ambavyo tunaweza kuimarisha usalama wetu. Mimi ninafurahi kwamba nikiwa hapa niko nyumbani, mimi ni mwana Trans Nzoia, na kwa hivyo ninafurahi kwamba sisi wote tutaweza kujadiliana kutoa maoni tofauti.